What is up guys, Dan at this site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy something on eBay without getting scammed. So first you need to head over to the eBay's website and then log in with your account. And after that, you just simply need to search for any of the item on the eBay that you are looking for. And after searching for any of the item, you will open the particular page of that item's list. And after that, let's say I am choosing this particular shoe. So when I click on it, it will open in a new tab. And from here on the right side, you will see the seller's name. You just simply click on that to verify the authenticity of that particular seller. When you click on this, the seller's page will open in a new tab. You can see the item sold, the followers, and the positive feedback. The positive feedback is the most important thing because if the positive feedback is less, the seller is less trustworthy. But if it is more or in a good percentage, the seller is more trustworthy. So you can just buy from that particular seller without hesitating and you won't get scammed. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.